Hello everyone, Shamama here. Today we are going to see about root chakra. Root chakra is otherwise known as Mooladhara chakra. The root chakra is symbolized by four lotus petals. It will be beautiful to see with the four petals, and the color of root chakra is red. Root chakra. What is meant by root chakra? How does it forms? Root chakra formed when we started to manifest our life in the womb. When the cell starts dividing, the chakra has formed. It is the basic of survival, and it is one of the primary of seven chakras. The root chakra is located at the end of the spinal bone, that is coccygeal bone, or known as tailbone. So this root chakra is mainly for instinct, survival instinct. uh, so the root chakra feels like, do I belong to this earth? Do I live safe here? The soul has to feel safe and to be nurtured in a very positive way. So when the baby borns, and when the food, shelter and nourishment has been taken care by the caretaker very lovingly and very securely, so that's why the day the first day the baby born till the age of 10 years, it's very important to make them feel loved, cherished, nourished, because that's where the survival instinct, or the energy of feeling safe is stored at the energy of root chakra. And also we should keep in mind that one that our kids, or whenever they born, we have to speak to them that you are safe, you belong to this earth, you are very much loved and cared. Actually we are all born with the ability to, natural ability to fight whatever the challenges we face at the earth. When our confidence and other feelings are shaken, that's where we lost the connection. And also, when our ancestor has faced these war zones and natural calamities, and natural calamities or any other distraction, so that actually will go and shake the survival instinct, that will create a kind of trauma at the energy of the root chakra, so which in turn forms the imprints at their energy body. So that has been passed to generations to generation. If the person is not healed, if I am having some problem with my survival instinct, if I am not healing myself, then I must be passing this thing to generation. Then automatically the generation will have problems with their abundance, at their wealth, at their survival thing. So this is why it's very important to heal ourselves. The healing is not only healing yourself, you're healing your entire generation, you're changing the imprints of your DNA. Okay, come to the point, like how to heal my root chakra. It's very simple. You start to become conscious, see how you feeling towards the survival, connect to nature, walk on the earth with the bare legs, walk over the grass, feel the mother earth, feel the texture of a sand, and the element of root chakra is earth. And also trust that we are born with a divine grace, that we can manage anything at our life, we are secure and loved. And see whatever the trauma is there, so heal that trauma, and also heal the trauma, and also forgive people. And what are all the other methods? You can have food which are in red color, like tomatoes, strawberries, and whatever it is in red color, beetroots. So that will strengthen the root chakra. And also there is another method using crystals. You can take crystals named as a black tourmaline, red jasper, and bloodstone. There are garnet. These are the primary and less cost and easily available stones I'm preferring to tell you. So these stones you can buy it. You can either wear it using a bracelet or pendant, or you can keep this stone over your back and do meditation for some time, or keep in hand, do meditation for some time, feeling that I am safe, I am secure, I am being loved, my needs are taken care by the divine grace, so that you can heal your chakras naturally. And also there are so many healing sounds are there. The main say healing sound or alarm. And also there are so many YouTube videos which has this wonderful healing sound vibrations. You can hear that also and feel the vibration travel through your body. Travel you can, if you are deep enough, if you concentrate deep enough, you can feel the vibrations at your end of the tailbone. You can feel a small a kind of vibrations there. So this is how we balance the root chakra. Let's balance our root chakra. Let's pass the healthy imprints to our next generations in a very cost less effective way, being our own consciousness. If you are conscious that I want to heal myself, then that itself a 50% recovery. So be conscious and heal your root chakra and feel that you are safe and secure. Thank you.